Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been some time since I uploaded a video, but I finally bought something and have something special to show the channel. I already kind of unboxed it just so that I don't have like the address and packing slip in there, but let's open this up. And the title is going to already give away what it is, but for those of you who wonder what it comes like from packaging, this is going to be the Deluxe Music Box. I ordered this literally in April of last year, so April 2024, and it finally arrived in August of 2025, so it took over a year, and this is no longer for sale, so this is going to be a hard item to buy unless you buy it secondhand, and I know it's going to be marked up, it's going to be resale value, but hopefully, this video gives you an idea of what it looks like, and I'll definitely play the song as well. Yeah, I got rid of all the bubble wrap, but here it is. It's an all Japanese, but well, not all Japanese, there's some English, but you can see it is the Deluxe Music Box. I'm gonna open this as carefully as possible, but I've been waiting for this for over a year, so I'm very excited. So here's the packaging. It's very nice. Like, it has like a gold shimmer, and it has a texture which there's nothing specifically to the texture from what I can see, but it is nice. But let's open this up. Man, this is crazy. Item was very expensive, so it was over $1,000. But yeah, here's a little bit of like an instruction manual, I'm guessing. Not gonna read this too much, because first of all, this is mostly in Japanese, but yeah. Let's go to the good part, which is the music box itself. It is covered. The package was like really well protected. So here's what it looks like. It's very pretty. This is a really well crafted and nice design. You can open it up like this, and you could just see all the intricacies and everything. You can see all of that. It's really, really nice. I can see why they charged $980 or so for this. But yeah, this is a very nice and well-constructed item. I don't know the history behind like all the music boxes. I had just wanted to buy this one because I was so obsessed with Final Fantasy VII Remake and Rebirth at the time that I bought it. But yeah, this is really cool. I don't know how many people have this item, but if you missed out on buying it retail, I don't think you can buy it anymore. So this bottom portion is where you play the music. You have to twist this and then it'll play. So that is a quick unboxing and overview of the Deluxe Aerith theme music box. If you do want more content on this specific item, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is just going to be a quick overview. I did purchase it a year ago and I had to wait more than a year to get it, but I think it's well worth it because I'm definitely going to use this to, lull my future kids to sleep, to be honest. I don't know if anyone else bought it for that reason, but this is pretty special to me and I'm very grateful that I was able to get this item.